Back with the Legal Edge. The snow has fallen, and if you're still driving around with it piled on top of your vehicle, local attorney Bryan Waldman says you're breaking the law. Here's what you need to know about the snow.
There's a number of provisions, and when you put them all together, it doesn't really leave room for there to be snow left on the car before it leaves someone's driveway. For example, there's a law that says that you can't drive your vehicle if your vision or your windshield or windows are obstructed or obstructing your vision in any way. So that means not making a little hole to peer out of in the windshield or in the side window, but clearing all the glass so that your vision is not obstructed. There's also laws that require that headlights function to a certain distance and that tail lights and brake lights be seen from a certain distance. So snow and ice has to be cleared from those lights. And then finally, there's a law that says you can't remove or allow snow, ice, or slush to be removed from your vehicle in a way that obstructs the vision of other motorists. So if you think, well, I can just leave the snow on my roof or leave the snow on my hood because when I drive down the road at a fast enough speed, say on the highway at 70 miles per hour, it's going to blow off. Well, when it blows off, it's going to blow off on the person behind you. And when it does that, it's going to obstruct that person's vision. And so that's potentially a violation of the law and a civil infraction under the vehicle code that you can be ticketed for. Now, there's also laws that apply for the removal of snow, slush, and ice from sidewalks, but those aren't state laws. Those are typically municipal or city ordinances. And so, for example, in Lansing, there's a city ordinance that says within 24 hours from the time that snow falls or accumulates on a sidewalk, the homeowner has to remove or shovel that snow or remove that ice. Similarly, in East Lansing, the city ordinance says that if snow falls before noon, it has to be removed before midnight on the same day. If the snow falls after noon, it has to be removed before midnight on the following day. And to give you an idea of what a violation looks like or what the punishment is for a violation of not shoveling a sidewalk, in East Lansing, the fine is, I believe, $110. I think it's more in the city of Lansing. But typically, most cities have a fine for a violation of a snow ordinance or a sidewalk snow ordinance of about $100 to $150.